Hello? Hello? There we go. Hello, everybody. Yo, what's up? Hello, hello, hello. I don't think there's a meeting today. No meeting today, guys. Hello. I can't believe we made it to day 5. What the heck? That's so good. What, Squidcraft? Hello. I stayed up to wish you luck. Good luck, Hannah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Hello. What's up, guys? Tubbo thinks you'll survive. Tubbo knows what's up. I'm kind of nervy. I'm nervous. Charlie, thank you for the 5 gifted subs. Thank you. And Melanie, thank you for continuing the gifted sub that you got. So, guys, listen. I am not the best at Hangman. And I think today might be Hangman. Even if we get out, it's okay. We made it to day 5, which is amazing. But I think that we can continue to day 6. I think that we can do it. I think we can. I believe. I believe. I believe. Hello, hello. Ooh, this is definitely a song choice. This is definitely a choice.
Hi,
Amity,
Hannah.
thank you for the
I
prime.
hope you had an amazing birthday. Sorry I've been gone. School is a booty hole.
It's
less
all
than
right.
33.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Your name is so cute. Are you guys excited? Are you going to be nervous? I think that the one reason that we've been able to survive so long is because I don't get like too nervous. Like, I'm not like shaking or anything because I've played in so many events and events in real life to where I don't really, I'm kind of immune from being super duper nervous anymore. So I'm not like super shaky. I'm not super like freaked out. I think I'm okay at staying calm. I'm okay at staying calm. So we'll be okay. I think during MCC was the last time I was nervous, my first MCC. And yesterday we practiced. It was awesome. We practiced our Spanish. We played Bed Wars with Shadoon, Vicky, and Conter. We played Bed Wars yesterday, and it was really fun. And I was practicing my Spanish. I learned a little bit of Pequeño? I don't know. Ayúdame is help. I know, don't worry. I know what help is. I know. Un poquito.
You're going to do so good, Hannah. You got this. Less than 3.
I knew that. I just forgot. Alex, thank you for the 100 bits. Thank you. Hannah, you saw the chat yesterday, so you cheat too in the Squidcraft game. No, my chat was off. My chat was off. I pinky promise. It was off. Look, here's my pinky. Did you promise? It was off. Will we ever see curly-haired Hannah again? Maybe. I feel like I look so goofy like that now. Callie, thank you for the prime. Thank you.
Yay.
Thank you. Why did they skip you for the question? Why is the music so loud? They skipped me for the question because the question was like something about the 28th day of the month. Like, which month has the 28th day? And the answers were like February, March, all of them, and another month. And I was like, I didn't read all the answers, so I chose February because my birthday is February 28th. So that's why they skipped it and went back to me. It was not a glitch. They did that on purpose. Yo, Allium, thank you. Oh my gosh, the 23-month sub.
2 years.
You are unreal. Thank you so much. Thank you. A Noodle. Thank you for the Prime for 21 months. Crazy. And the moderators of Squid are in a meeting in case of metagaming. Oh, so today will be Hangman. Fine, we can play Hangman. Hangman. Practice. Amen game. Oh, we can play on cool math games, guys. Look at this. Cool math games. The game's loading. Yo, Veteran with the 2-year. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Well, whatever. I don't really care. Watch ad to play on big screen. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Fine, whatever. Wait. Did someone just get 5 subs? Kenzie May dropped the 5 gifted subs. You are so sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you. Are you in the call? Oh, I didn't know that there was a call. No, there's no call. There's no call right now. Oh my god. No, I'm playing with randoms. I don't want to play with random people. Private game. You know what? This might be, you know what? We'll just play cool math games. We'll go back. We'll play. Fine. We'll play this Hangman. All right. Can I type? Grapefruit juice? Okay. All right, this is me. I'm in last place. Well, if it's a Spanish word, then they weeded us out. It was on purpose. You know? Places. Can't we do like E? Okay. R, no. L, S, T, something EST. Okay, someone spoiled it for me. I'm not looking at chat. I don't like how I look right now. It's like freaking me out a little bit. What if it's like this, guys? Famous people. Okay. How am I supposed to know this? This is too hard. Sorry to complain. This game sucks. Long ass name. This is a very long name. It's too long. Look, I'm almost out of balloons. Who is that? I want to play a different. I want to play with different people. These people are cheating. These people are cheating. Body and health. Okay. A. It starts with A. No way. Why? Acrobatics? No, I don't think so. Check Discord? Okay. Alright, we're in a meeting. We're in a meeting.
Vamos a esperar que vengan Auron y Rubius. Andarán por ahí. Y nada. Empezamos en un rato.
This game sucks. Did you see that? Thanks for the good luck. Oh yeah, there's like 3 musics going on in the background. That's crazy. Thank you, Sylvie. Holy shit. I'm going crazy right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Remember Wordle? I'm pretty okay at Wordle. What if it just is Wordle? Chat, fun fact, I do the Wordle every single day. Oh yeah, I did do it today. Let's see what I got. I did it right as it was 12 a.m. I got a 4 out of 10, 4 out of 6, but only because the second, I'm not spoiling the Wordle. Well, I only got a 4 out of 6 because the second word, I got 4 greens. Third word, I got 4 greens. Like, what? 4 greens? So I got 4 out of 6. My second and third word both had 4 greens. I was screaming. I was literally screaming when I was doing the Wordle. I was like, what? Are you serious? It was so bad, man. Look for common consonants and vowels. C. Like S, T, A, E, I, O, U. Not as much U, but... Rami, thank you for the 100 bits.
Good luck today, Hannah. You have my support from Mexico. Vamos.
Thank you. Thank you. And someone else said, are you the girl who played in UHC on air? What happiness it gives me to see you grow from the Latin POV. That was me. Thank you. That means a lot. I did play that. Yo, Gavandy, thank you for the prime. Thank you so much. I saw you playing Minecraft with Shadoon and Vicky. That was so fun. That was so fun. We played Bed Wars and TNT Run and UHC duels, and Conter beat me, but it was a close match. It was a close match, and he said, well, he was like, what? Buena or something. He was like shocked at my Minecraft skill. Oh, she's in the background. Someone sent me this peach boba for my Christmas / birthday, and it's so cute. It's little peach boba. The Discord link's expired? Is that one expired? Thank you, Piso. Thank you. Did you practice for Hangman? All the Hangman games kind of suck. Thank you, Rainbow. All right. Watch this. Oh, I only have 8, 9. A. Okay. E. I. So this is food. This is food. We can do S. Ooh. T. L. Okay. This is supposed to be food. I can't guess it with literally nothing. Something at En. Something. R. Okay. Chicken. It's chicken. You're right. Okay. I shouldn't be reading chat. I'm done with you guys. Goodbye. I covered you up. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. All right. We can do. This is supposed to be so easy. Oh my god, am I screwed for today? Oh my god. I'm screwed for today. I'm screwed for today, guys. I can't. I think I'm just screwed. I'm cheating. Oranges. How was I supposed? No! That's so bad. That's so bad. That's so bad. That's so bad. Oh my god. Thank you, Yam Yam. Something here. Okay. I lost. Hamburger.
Hamburger.
Tenebris, thank you for the sub. What the heck? Thank you so much. Manu, thank you for the sub as well. What the heck? I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Remember that chat must be on emotes only. Okay. Thank you so much for the subs, you too. Thank you so much. So nice, so nice. All right, no more messing around. Milk. Woo! So right now we're on the food category. Okay, why am I starting with a body?
Good luck today.
KK, thank you for the prime. Thank you. Oh, the announcement said join the meeting. Okay. You. Are you serious? HU. I'm sorry. I'm taking a break. Hold on. I have 2 more chances. Thank you for the 100 bits, Ernesto. Thank you. I'm cheating. Ketchup. That's so bad, man. Tea. That's so bad. That's so bad. Cool. I'm in the server, guys. I'm in the server. Don't worry. I'm in the server. I'm in the server. Oh my god, I have invalid session. I had invalid session. I had invalid session. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. I had invalid session. I had invalid session. I had invalid session. I thought I was logged in the whole time. I had it like in my other monitor. Sorry, I had invalid session. Sorry. Guys, stop yelling at me. That's not awkward at all. Sorry. It was like broken. It was broken. My Minecraft was broken. It didn't log in my account. Vamos, Hanny. Okay. Look, we're fine. Ivy, thank you for the prime. Thank you. This music's freaking me out. Later today, I have a really important thing to do, so I don't know if I can continue the stream after. She can't understand Spanish. I can read a little bit of Spanish.
Once you win the 100k, will you go visit your new friends from Mexico?
Sure, that'd be cool. I think I'll see a lot of them at TwitchCon. TwitchCon. Thank you for the 100 bits. Vamos, Hannah. España confía en ti. Does that mean believes in you? Yay! I got it right. I will go to both TwitchCons probably. Very scared, very scared, very
Hola, ¿qué
scared.
tal, amigos? ¿Cómo están? Bienvenidos, bienvenidos, bienvenidos.
Buenas tardes, buenas tardes.
Hola.
Creo que ya no falta nadie.
Hola.
¿Estamos todos? Vale. Perfecto. Pues empezamos. Primero que nada, tenemos un par de cosas que aclarar y decirles también a ustedes y también a la audiencia que nos ve y a todos los participantes que a lo mejor escucharán esto después porque ya fueron descalificados y ya no están acá. Empezamos con el primer punto. Ayer en las pruebas de los tres monos, ha habido un grupo que ha sufrido un bug en el cual no apretaban un botón y no les quitaba, no les recitaba las cosas. Al final queremos decir que pues ha sido un bug que las ha perjudicado y que lo sentimos mucho de parte nuestra, pero
Thank you for the
hasta
131
este
bits.
momento
I can't
pues,
say.
What will you
de la
do with the
competencia
money?
es imposible
I don't wanna
traerlas
jinx
de
it.
regreso. Entonces, lamentamos mucho que les haya pasado esto. La verdad ha
If
sido
you
un
win,
error
what will you
fatal.
do with the money?
Nos disculpamos por ese bug. Y pues bueno, que sepan que las tres están invitadas a los Squid Games 3, a la tercera edición. Sé que esto no compensa
Thank you, Squid.
este bug que las ha sacado de la segunda edición. Y sinceramente nos gustaría poder ayudarlas con algo más. Pero es que de momento, hasta este punto de la competencia, no podemos hacer nada. Entonces, de verdad, muchas disculpas.
Why are
a las tres
people
participantes.
disqualified?
De todo corazón, les pedimos que nos disculpen. Ha sido un error garrafal de parte nuestra. Y otra cosa también que queremos dejar muy claro, tengo que avisarlo yo en específico, porque al parecer en el día de la galleta está el famoso TP, y esto va para todas las audiencias y para todos, el famoso TP que se me hizo a mí, a cambio de otro jugador que creo que fue Dari, ¿ok? Este TP no lo he pedido yo, no he sido yo el que me he tepeado, no ha sido mi intención que lo hicieran. De hecho, hay un clip muy claro en donde yo estoy literalmente roleando que me estoy ligando a un guardia y de la nada me hacen TP y hasta yo me saqué de pedo. Esto la verdad es que ha sido por parte de Eufonía, que al parecer ellos tenían pues un comando para tepear a personas que faltaban en otras líneas. Literalmente detectaban qué línea tenía más gente y qué línea tenía menos gente, ejecutaban un comando y al azar tepeaban gente de una línea a la que le sobraba gente y metían gente a otra línea a la que le sobraba gente. Básicamente es eso, era el comando. Pero Ale les puede explicar mejor cómo ha sido este rollo del famoso TP, ¿ok?
Nada, eso lo puedo confirmar tal cual lo dijo. El número de participantes de la galleta obviamente necesitaba ser el mismo en todas las puertas. Los TP random fueron para balancear los equipos. La verdad pedimos mucha colaboración para hacer las filas, pero habían 8 jugadores amontonados en un 1 por 1 y al final la decisión que se tomó en ese momento fue comenzar a tepear a las personas para intentar acomodar los equipos y que todos tuvieran la misma cantidad de jugadores. No hay más.
Y que también las personas que se tepearon a teams randoms aleatorios también para balancearlos. O sea, no fue que te tepeaban a un team muy tryhard o a un team, no, te tocaba lo que te tocaba y ya está. Y eso me pasó a mí y le pasaron a los demás participantes también. Ahí ha sido suerte de cada quien.
Yo
Exacto.
quiero suscribir lo que ha dicho Comanche, sobre todo el punto número 1, donde un equipo pues injustamente ha sido descalificado debido a un bug. Hemos barajado todo tipo de posibilidades, pero la conclusión es que estando en una semifinal, prácticamente las posibilidades de tocar algo son nulas. Esto no quita seguramente la rabia que deben sentir esas personas de estar descalificadas de esta manera, pero y sé que nada de lo que digamos les va a compensar o les va a hacer sentir bien, pero de verdad que
O sea, ha sido una decisión dura y que hemos, o sea, no es algo que hemos
Trying to
una
fix my
decisión que
hair
hemos tomado a la
before
ligera,
it
sino que
game starts.
de verdad con estas decisiones nos lo tomamos muy en serio y nos dedicamos el tiempo máximo posible a tomar la decisión final.
esto si hubiera pasado el día 1 o el día 2, quizás se podrían haber contemplado muchas más opciones, traerlos de vuelta, no sé. Pero estando en la semifinal, Lo hemos visto, bueno, con tanto Twitch como Ufonia, han estado ahí mirando 1001 opciones y no ha habido manera. Así que también por mi parte, también pedir disculpas, faltaría más.
Listo. Lo mismo, una disculpa. Y quería
Ben, thank you for
aclarar
the
yo
Prime.
dos
Thank you.
cosas. A partir de ahora, regla sagrada de modo emotes durante las pruebas. 100%, todos los jugadores modo emotes durante pruebas. Y también vamos a intentar explicar las pruebas de un poco más explícitas en este momento. De igual forma, si no las entienden a la hora de explicarlas, vamos a ponerlas en Discord. De hecho, todos los días se han puesto en Discord, pero solamente para que lo tengan en cuenta, que si no entienden la prueba, pueden revisar Discord y ahí va a estar todo explicado.
Pues nada, dicho eso, perdón, me estoy comiendo una galleta. Dicho eso, creo que podemos ir entrando ya a Launcher.
Pues
y que
vamos
Rubius
allá con
explique
la
Well, tell us in
semifinal.
English.
la regla de los modemotes en inglés, por favor.
Vale. Segundo. Ok, solo de los emotes, el resto no, ¿no?
No,
Oh,
esto no.
okay, never mind. No one was
Um,
disqualified.
so,
There was a bug and the
guys,
team lost because of that, but
we
since
only
it's a
only have one
semi-final, the
rule for
admins
today,
feel
and
like
Thank
they
you.
can't
now on,
revive them as hard as it is
the
for them,
mods
and
or
also
the
going
streamers
forward, they need
must
all players on
set
emotes
the
only.
chat on emote mode only, okay? So please let your mods know about it, or you put every game there's a mini game, or every time there's a mini game you should put emote mode on, and the rest is okay. You can use the chat as you usually do. So,
Y las
yeah.
reglas serán explicadas más explícitamente.
¿Cómo?
Que las reglas de los juegos serán más explicadas explícitamente y están en
Ah, sí.
Discord también.
Thank you for the sub.
And the rules for the games and the mini games will be explained on Discord and with more details over voice. So yeah, I think that's it. Good luck everyone and have fun.
El Rich quiere hablar, ¿le damos la opción o entramos ya?
¿Cómo?
No sé, Rich tiene una pregunta. Está levantando la mano. No sé si invitarlo a hablar o no, me da mucho miedo. Yo no sé. También Ari Gameplay. Yo sé, no sé. Aquí va el del Troya, sí, ¿no?
No sé.
I don't know.
A ver.
Ari Gameplay ya
Yo creo
bajó la
que
mano,
las
vale,
cosas
ya no.
que
Ari Gameplay ya bajó la
las
mano. Pero está
cosas que
claro, ¿no?
decir,
Ari Gameplay ya bajó la mano.
que se digan después por ticket o en el chat o en un hilo si quiere, pero yo creo que necesitamos ya empezar los juegos porque vamos con media hora de retraso y la verdad es que
Thank
vamos un
you,
poco
Chico, for
atrasados,
the
así que
tier 1.
intentaría
Thank
ya.
you.
Vamos ya entonces, para adentro.
35 people are going to die. Are you
Mucha
serious?
suerte, chicos.
Perdón,
Suerte, amigos,
una
suerte.
última cosa solo para aclarar. Los vamos a descalificar
How do you know
si
that?
no tienen modo emotes, que eso quede muy claro. Vamos a descalificar al que juegue una prueba sin modo emotes. Eso para que quede 100% claro y no haya ningún problema.
Vale.
Bien.
Yeah,
bueno.
you need to have emote mode on the mini games every time. If not, you will be disqualified.
Disqualify.
Guys, just the mini games. It's fine.
Muy bien, pues ya estaría, Ale. Eso es todo.
Eso es todo, muchas gracias.
¿La series?
Perfecto.
Ok.
Pues chicos, ánimos, suerte y nos vemos dentro.
Guys,
Vamos para adentro.
we're not
Bye.
in a mini game yet. It's fine. Guys, it is fine. It's fine. Disqualification incoming. It's not in the mini games yet. Oh my lordy lord. Oh my lordy lord. It's fine. It's fine. We're on the loading screen, guys. It's okay. It's all right. It's fine. Chest trolling for real? We're trolling. We're trolling right now. Okay, guys, I'm sorry that I'm messing with my hair so much. It's just, I know there might be a lot of clips taken from today, and I just want to look as best as I can before the game starts. Okay, there we go. We can have... And sometimes I pull my hair back, and sometimes I don't. But I think we'll just do like that today. This isn't a game? I thought you were playing Loading Simulator.
This isn't a
Thank
game.
you
I thought you were playing
for the
Loading
bits.
Simulator.
And honestly, yeah, I agree. And hi, Squid Kid. What's up? Oh my lord. I'm not crying. Kind of looked like I was, though. Holy shit. No music today? It might be a bad idea because it's about to start. Thanks for the good lucks. Only 40 people left. Isn't that crazy? Only 40 people. We made it. We made it to day 5. That's all that we can really ask for. There were 200. In the first Squid Games, were there 100 or 200? 100. 150? Wow. Yo, Shaco, thank you for the 100 bits. Gracias. Aww. Gracias. Thank you. That's so nice. Thank you for the 100 bits. What are your thoughts about the event so far? I think it's the best event ever.
About the event so far? Did you like the Spanish community?
Of course, of course. I love it. I love it. Are you winning or what? I'm gonna try my best. Ooh. Remember Milk? Yeah, I think it's have you ever played the game called Milk the Cow on Mineplex? It's here's what I'm thinking. It's going to be like that. That's what I think it'll be like. You grab milk from a cow and you put it into a bottle or you drink it. And I used to play that game when I was like 12 years old on a Minecraft server. You go to a cow, you milk the cow, you bring it to the bottle is what I'm thinking. Because on the walls, there's a little bucket and a person carrying a bucket. So I think that you carry the bucket and you put it into the glass, maybe. I don't know. But there weren't that many glasses. There was only like 6. Kanata, thank you for the 100 bits. I have. Thank you. So that's what I think that is. But that'll probably be the second game. And the first one might be... Uh-oh, it's starting. Hangman. Oh my god. Why are they in the jungle? There's vines. There's vines. Oh my god. Contact is being weird. They're doing tests. Who is this man? Oh, look at this room. What? Oh my god, it's the room. It's Hangman. It's Hangman. Did you guys see that? It's Hangman. It's in a studying room. Like math, like not math, but like learning English. The ropes are in the library. It's literally Hangman. It's so bad. What the hell is that? What was that? They were promoted? I think they were promoted. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Episode 5. The Chosen One.
I just texted my dad if he could bring me a piece of cake for my birthday.
Oigan, venga, ya.
Yo también he despertado aquí en el suelo. ¿Qué tal estáis?
Hola, boys.
Hola,
¡Hala, loco! ¿Ya sabes más palabras en español, Hannah?
Sí, sí.
Ya podemos hablar juntos.
Bien. A ver, Hannah,
O sea,
habla.
Una pregunta. ¿Me entiendes?
No.
Hannah.
¿Cómo estás, Hannah?
Una pregunta.
Una pregunta. Sí, sí.
¿Me entiendes?
Sí.
Oh,
Opa.
bien.
¿Ok?
Para mí que dijo sí, porque sí, igual.
¿Color? Color gorro. Silithur.
Muy buena.
Color gorro Silithur.
¿Qué?
Color gorro Silithur.
Creo que no sabe quién es
¿Azul?
Silithur.
¿Azul?
Sí, Silithur.
aquí.
Bien, bien.
Sí, color gorro.
Azul, dijo.
Azul.
¿Azul? Ok.
Sí.
Hizo MG, elimínela.
Diadema. Ni de broma sabe que es una diadema, ¿no?
No.
No,
Le quería decir el color de las rosas que tiene o de las flores.
Color
pero-
rich.
I don't know.
Color
¿Cómo que no?
rich.
What color?
Color Chris Green.
Green? Verde?
Verde, muy bien, ok.
Color pelo, Chris Green.
Pelo.
Rosa?
Muchas gracias,
Oh,
Rich,
not bad.
por pagarle
Ok,
tratamiento
Hannah.
a mi perro. Sos la mejor
Hannah,
persona del mundo, Rich.
Difficult one.
Ok.
Gema, color Farfadox. Gema.
Oh. Good morning, guys.
Gema, color
Buenos días.
Farfadox.
Oh. Nice to see you guys.
I don't know.
Ok, gema means gem.
Oh,
Fatisma.
naranja.
Naranja, ok, nice.
Sí.
Learning.
Sí. I knew all of the colors.
Nice.
The Ghost of Farfania, the Demon of Netherite. El diablo.
Chat, thank you. Thank you. I didn't know what the gem meant.
Imagine play a tiered game.
Thank you for helping
un
me, chat.
gatito.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I know the colors though. To be fair, I do know the colors.
George. George.
Hola.
Okay, I understand the frustration
Sí.
about Farfadox
Muy-
arriving.
Sí.
One thing. But I think he really did something great on his game with the tails. because
Oh,
it was
really?
pretty
He-
hard. At least that.
Oh yeah, I
Give him
saw it. It
that.
was so hard. It was so
It
hard.
was
He
so
had to run
hard.
around, keep the tail.
I mean-
it was really hard. You know what? Good job. Good job. You're
I
really
know,
good at
I know
running.
that we hate each other and that you want to kill me. That is good, but I think Farfadox did pretty well on that minigame.
No
You know,
entiendo,
I'll
soy
give
de
you that. You
Boca.
did so good. You were really. Oh, he's gone.
He goes away.
It's about to begin.
Oh no.
All the players, follow the staff
Okay,
instructions.
good luck.
Soy
and
Pan te
proceed
quiere
to-
matar.
Guys, I'm gonna be
You're
real.
gonna sweat that.
I'm
You will
going to
need
get
it.
out.
You will need it.
I'm probably going to get out this round. So
Alright, okay. We'll see you then.
Hannah,
yeah.
I don't know what they've been talking to you about, but I have a feeling that you are having second thoughts.
What do you mean? I'm having second
Just
thoughts.
hanging out with them
It sucks
already.
you that you're hanging out with them. That's all.
We're
I'm saying.
friends. We're boys. We go way back.
Hannah, I'm sure you
Hey,
are.
Hannah,
I'm sure you
can't-
are.
I'm gonna tell you right now, it's us or them. So make your choice.
Are you serious? Don't even
Yeah,
say
make your mind
that.
up.
Don't even say that.
It's
Make your
us or
mind up.
them.
Don't even say that, Sana.
Attention.
You're hanging out with the guy who killed my best friend. You
All the
understand that,
players,
right?
follow the staff instructions.
not my best friend.
And proceed to the game hall.
Okay.
All right, Hannah.
That's funny, isn't it?
I guess-
That's funny.
I guess we'll
Muy
keep that in
funny, huh?
mind.
Muy funny.
Muy funny, huh? You think you're so muy
Attention.
funny.
Yeah, I
The
am
game
muy
is about to
funny.
begin.
You're
All the
muy
players,
idiot. That's
follow
what you
the
are.
staff instructions.
You're muy
and
idiot.
proceed to the game hall.
Why are we even with you right now? Why don't you go play with Elrich?
Maybe I will.
Yeah.
Yeah, go run away. Oh wait, you can't because you're slow.
You're also slow, so
I'm not. I'm going optimal speed.
I'm also going optimal speed.
Oh, Hannah really made a good comeback there. She's repeated what you said.
Muy gracioso.
Hannah, how
Yeah,
about you
that's
go sit
funny.
at table
Oh, you just-
21?
Oh my god.
How about Hannah sits at table 21, bro? That's all I'm
Okay, Sabnap, don't even say that. Don't even say that. You're bringing back trauma. That was traumatic.
It
Stop.
wasn't traumatic. You were just an idiot.
Okay, I'm gonna elaborate. I will elaborate. I will elaborate if you don't stop.
Where do I go elaborate?
I'm literally going to elaborate. I'm literally going to
I really
elaborate.
don't care.
Okay, you don't care? Sabnap cares. He said he'll never speak to me again.
Di verdad, di verdad, di verdad.
Should I sneeze?
Hola.
Fine, I'll sneeze. Guys, I'm gonna sneeze. Guys, I'm gonna sneeze.
Si te cuadras sola, ya sabes con quién ir. Si quieres.
Chat, the lore is basically something to do with streamer awards. Hola, hello.
How are you doing?
I'm
What is your
good.
team?
Oh, they're over there. They're mad at me.
Who are them?
George and Sapnap.
But if the game in 5 people, what will you do?
I'm not sure.
I think it's or 5 or 1.
The next
Because
one?
because in the trailer that we saw a few minutes ago, it was like 5 chairs
Uh-huh.
or 1. So I think it's 5 team.
Okay. All right.
Be careful.
All
I
right.
don't want you to die.
Thank you. That's really helpful. Thank you. I'll go tell them.
I know that you are friend of God, so
Aw.
anything you need, I will protect you too.
Thank you. Same to you. Same to you. All right, I'm gonna go tell them.
Okay.
Aw. Where are they?
Wait, Hangman, right? Hangman makes the most sense.
They said it's a team of
Maybe,
5.
Where did Hannah just come from?
It's team of 5. What?
That's
How
what they
does she know
said.
this shit? She's
Who
what is she?
said that?
I don't
Who
know.
did you
Is
get this
just in
information
all the
from?
wrong
Yeah,
places
how?
at the right time.
Captain Gato.
Okay, so when the players were presented, like the participants, it was shown a picture with like the sketch of what the test was gonna be, the hangman was gonna be. So
Hangman, see.
yeah, so I thought there were like 3 in each team, but not 5.
Tres in.
Well, we shouldn't
How
team
many
because what
players
if
are we?
only
How many players are we? Just divide. We are 40. We are 1 less, I think. We are 39.
Oh, 39.
So it is
Oh,
dividends of 3.
okay.
So should be.
Okay, look at tab. It's teams of 3. It's perfect. It's perfect. Es perfecto.
Well,
Es perfecto.
I think we shouldn't team because what if only one person survives, like out of the.
I mean,
You
it's really me,
guys
so I'm fine with
you
that.
guys should
But
team.
what if 2 people
You
survive?
guys should team. You guys should team. I don't know how it's gonna work, but if the words are in English, you should team.
I feel like we're gonna face each other, dude. I don't like this.
I actually like this.
I guess
Weirdly.
I would want to face
Welcome
Hannah.
everyone to the 9th game. This game will be played in teams. Everyone, please make teams of 5 players each. You have 5 minutes.
Jorge. What the fuck are we gonna
Welcome
do?
everyone to the 9th game. This game will be played in teams. Everyone, please make teams of 5 players each.
It's not
You
a team game.
have 5 minutes.
It's not a team game. It's not a team game. It's not a team game, guys. It is not a team game.
Died.
Yeah, but they survived me again.
You're back?
Yeah, I had a bug for like 3 minutes. I was stuck, so I couldn't play. Yeah.
Wow, you're back.
Yeah.
Bienvenido. Sí.
Bienvenida.
Bienvenida. Sí.
Guys, I think it's like marbles. I think it's like the marbles. It's not a team game.
Teams of 5?
It's not a team game.
Yeah, no way only one person survives in teams of 5, though.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. For sure.
Oh, wow.
okay if I
Then
join
there's gonna be
you?
like fucking 5 people left.
One or two. Did they say
I don't
groups
know.
or
Is
teams?
this a good team or a bad team? Like, are we gonna die or survive?
We're going to die. We're going to die.
No, we're going to survive.
Hannah, it's the first game. They're not gonna kill
Yes,
half of
they
us in the
are.
first game.
Yes, they
no,
are.
they won't. No, they won't.
Well, currently there's only 4 of us here, so.
This is so bad. This is so bad. I'm gonna be right back.
Hannah's doing her thing again where she just starts freaking out. Just
Be right
calm
back.
down.
Hannah, oh my god. Fue Elías. Bueno, están dentro.
Si es por tiempo, ¿no?
Guys, do you think this is a like marbles?
No, it's ahorcado. It's like
It's
you
a
have to guess
war
the
game, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think people
It's a
are
thing
going to
we-
die
we-
in the group?
I don't know.
Okay. I think they will. Okay, just save my spot. I'm just going. I'm finding information.
No, we can't save spots.
Okay.
You either stay or you leave.
We need one more then.
Which one is it?
We need one more. We need one more. We need one more. I'm finding a team. I'm finding a team for you. We need one more. We need one more. We need one more. We need one more.
Ari. Ven aquí adelante.
Me, Sabnap, and George.
Ey, ¿qué pasó?
Oh shit.
En el de allá también hay.
$, ¿Alguien sabe inglés bien? Hannah.
Cabrón, si estamos aquí es porque somos buenos.
Pará, me
¿Ah?
arruinaste.
A tomar por culo.
We need one more. I need one more. I need one more. I need one more.
No mames, ¿qué está pasando, güey?
Why are they running? Guys, do you want me to try and find another?
Shut the fuck up, please. Go away.
Cállate. Okay, what's the info?
One thing to do right here.
Okay.
Just one thing.
Okay. Una cosa.
What? He wants one thing.
Tenéis que hacer.
What does that mean?
It means you need to clean.
What?
I don't know. Necesito uno más.
O sea, estoy ya aquí con voce y con.
Parece que están...
Hay que separar. Vers.
Vale. Dale.
Vers.
Oh, no, lo está robando.
Mucha suerte, hermanito, por favor. No me pongas en prueba.
Uy, por tu culpa se fue, güey.
Era para Seba ya.
Where do they go?
Find someone?
No.
They're cleaning the floor.
Oh, where?
George has a broom, so he's cleaning.
Oh.
There, here.
Oh, there. Guys, we still need another person.
George.
Eres el último en llegar.
Güey, yo estaba acá cuando éramos 5 horas. Les dije, ahorita vengo, me fui a despedir de mi equipo pasado.
Oh, sí, limpiado.
¿Cómo que limpiado?
Límpiame, por favor.
Sorry, I'm trying my best.
It's okay. I'm just telling you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
This
6.
alone, though.
You guys have 6.
Mala comunicación. Mala
comunicación, no fue mala onda. Hey, hello, Wefer is alone.
Se ha ido por su
Necesito uno más.
Team.
Wefere y Salón. Y aparte con los gringos le va a ir mejor que no.
Claro,
o sea, le va a ir bien.
Yeah, I don't know how it's gonna be.
The waffle guy y Salón, if you want him.
The one that looks like a waffle.
Follow me. It's here.
Van a poner como una palabra y si no la adivinamos.
Waffle. The waffle is alone. Hello.
Yo creo que
Hey, I'm alone.
We did it.
Someone to fill up
Okay,
your
I
team?
clean you.
Yeah.
I clean you. Don't worry.
Okay, okay.
Me limpiado too. You guys.
Can I join you?
You guys are clean.
Yeah.
Sí.
May I join your team? Okay, perfect. I didn't know they were still for English-speaking people.
Maybe it's a red herring.
I mean,
You're
there's
lucky.
yes,
You're lucky I'm with
sí.
you.
We are all
I am
English
very
then.
lucky. I'm very lucky.
Okay.
Okay.
I think
Mods emo only.
No, my broom.
Do you?
Treasure, thank you for the tier 1. Sorry for getting so mad at Savnap and George. It's just they stress me out. And they do it on purpose, and I have bad anxiety, and I can't tell when people are joking because I'm not good at recognizing social cues sometimes.
The staff.
Okay. Let's go. This is not a team game, man. I feel ill. I feel sick. I feel sick.
Attention! Before the game starts, please, each team pick one of the boards located in the room. Follow the instructions.
So I think it's gonna be Hangman.
Sí.
Hangman.
Hangman.
It's called Hangman. Yeah. Do you know that game, Hangman?
Sí,
Yeah, they
sí.
must know it.
Okay. Search in Google. What are the best letter order to which one is in Spanish, but I don't know
George?
in English. What would it
We
be?
have many years of Wordle practice. We got this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it has to be a certain order. Just search how to.
I think the
how to win in
most common
Hangman
letter
in
is
English
E
or
and
something.
S and E S.
What is
I.
it? What is it in English? In case they give me an English word. How is it?
E-S-S-A.
E T A I O N S H and R.
E-S-A-I?
E T A I O N S H R. Itai Onsh. Itai Onsh.
Itai. Okay, in Spanish is E-A-O-S.
E-A-O-S.
Just
I
in
think
case.
the word's
Okay,
gonna be in
so
English though.
E-T-A-I?
E-T-A-I.
If one person from every team survived, how many people would be left?
E-T-A-I-O-N-S-H. Itai Onsh. See?
Okay. Itai Onsh. Okay.
E-T-A-I-O-N-S-H. Itai Onsh.
Okay.
It's not a team game. I have a gut feeling. Always trust your gut. Watch
The
this.
game is called Hangman. Now, in the teams that you created, you must select the painter. This person will receive a word that must be illustrated on the board. Meanwhile, the rest of the team will attempt to guess the word letter by letter. When you guess the word correctly, another member will move forward to the board to be the new painter until the time runs out. For every correct letter you get,
Why did we
you'll
team
get a
with
point.
George?
If the painter writes a word on the board, the team will be penalized. You'll have 20 minutes.
He's fucking colorblind.
When the time is over, the two teams that accumulate the least amount of points will be eliminated.
George? Oh my god. He thinks me. Why? Okay.
Attention, all players, please pay attention. Before each round, the player who is drawing needs to interact with the lectern near them to learn the word they're going to need to draw. When interacting with the board, you'll be able to select any of the 14 colors with a left click. To draw, press the right click or left click on any of the area in the board. The pointer is where you draw from, not the tip of the chalk. You can increase or decrease the chalk size with your mouse wheel. To erase, select the eraser. Use exactly the same way as a drawing chalk. If the player that is drawing mimes or writes on the board, this is considered cheating and the whole team will be penalized. The rest of the team must guess the word by interacting with the typewriter and select the letter. If any of the members have already selected a letter, everyone will be locked out of the interface.
I don't really understand that well.
Remember, you have 20 minutes. Please, choose a rope.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know what to do.
Okay, hey, listen to me. Listen to me. Okay, I think it should be best if one of you start because
one of us should start.
George shouldn't start because he's colorblind.
Before we begin,
I'll start.
please,
George
each
is
player,
colorblind?
George is
select a
colorblind.
rope. Follow the instructions.
I'm on the rope. I'm on the fucking
So we have
rope.
a language problem and a colorblind problem.
Guys, I'm on the fucking rope.
Okay,
cannot get out of
so you
there?
can't go first. So are you saying that I should go first? What do I have to click to go first?
I think no. Every
You
player's
need
supposed
to
select the
interact
rope.
with that.
Every player's supposed to select the rope.
Okay.
Oh, I'm on a rope.
How do you?
Right click.
Gia, do you want to go first or me?
I don't mind.
I'm a really bad drawer. I think it would be good if you went first.
No,
Okay,
Hannah,
I'll
you
try my
need
best.
to go
Okay,
first.
yay.
Hannah. You need to go first, Hannah.
Why?
You need to go first.
Why?
Because we
you're-
can communicate clearly.
You are.
Okay.
You got
I don't
it.
think I can speak to you guys, I feel like.
No, you cannot speak.
draw.
Anyways,
Don't worry about me.
we will switch roles, you know?
English word, so pick an English word and let's see if we can figure
It's just
it
that
out.
we
Are
know
the words going to be in Spanish or English?
Probably English. Excuse me? Do I just go on here?
Attention, players, please interact with the knot on the rope to select your place.
I can't move, by the way. I played Draw My Thing on Mindplex when I was 15 years old. I got all the achievements on that game. I played Guess the Build on Hypixel all the time. This will be easy. We got this, everybody. As long as it's not a super hard word, then I believe in us. It was exactly this game. It was exactly the exact same game. Not hard at all. Not hard at all. I'm not nervous at all. Everyone always gets my guesses in Guess the Build all the time. They get it all the time. On Hypixel. But I'm not the best artist. I wish Tina were here. I'm going to summon my Tina kitten and Sylvie energy and do this shit. We got this. Doesn't matter that we have George. Even though he's colorblind, it doesn't matter. So this is the eraser, I'm pretty sure.
Before we begin, please, each player, select a rope. Follow the instructions.
And if it's a bad drawing, I'm sorry. Okay? But I promise you guys, I will try my absolute best. I'm not a really good artist, but I will always do my best. It's like the Roblox game where you like draw the little pictures. Thank you, Art. Thank you.
Don't worry, you got this, Hannock's love.
Thank you. I do believe in specifically George's ability to guess the words because I know that he's a really, really good Wordle player. I'm not sure about Sapnap. Sapnap lies about his Wordle score. He always cheats and then he pretends that he gets 1 out of 6. But George is a good Wordle player. Sapnap lies and he says that he gets 1 out of 6 and he's a liar. So. Chat. I can't remember. Does it say click that thing for the word? Do yeah or no. Okay, because I can't move yet, so. And then you could click the different colors, and it's the crosshair. That's the, Maybe I could fly. No. Nay. Why are we saying nay? I have to text my mom. Wait, I'm gonna read the instructions.
Attention players, this is the score system. A correct letter is plus 1 point. A wrong letter is minus 1 point. Cheating is minus 10 points. I repeat, a correct letter is plus 1 point. A wrong letter is minus 1 point. And cheating is minus 10 points.
Oh, hola.
Can you hear me?
Sí.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Jorge no encontrado.
Gia, can you hear me?
Sí.
George, can you hear me? Can they hear me?
I think so.
Hello?
Maybe because she's drawing? I don't know.
Yeah, maybe she's mute because she's drawing.
I'm sorry, I'm reading the instructions in the Discord. For each round, the player who is drawing needs to interact with the
We have to
lectern.
work out the word. Yeah, on the typewriter.
When interacting
We'll
with the
get
board,
off the words, I think.
the pointer is where you draw from, not the tip of the chalk. You can increase or decrease the size with your mouse wheel. To erase, select the eraser. If the player that is drawing mimes or writes on the board, this will be considered cheating. I don't know what mimes mean.
We have to work out the word and then we just type it in, essentially.
Why are we all saying nay?
Yeah.
Guys, stop. Okay, oh, they can't hear me. I know they can't hear me. Okay, no more yes or nays. No more yay or nays. The rest of the team guess. Okay, so what I'm thinking is they need to only guess once the word is on the board. Once they know. They need to only guess when they know. They need to only guess when they know. For sure. To make for the most efficiency. Alright, I'm not looking at you guys anymore. Why haven't they come up with that strategy yet? I wish they would talk. I'm putting my hair back. This is game time. I hope it's not some like goofy drawing like Jelly Bean. I was playing Guess the Build on Hypixel and it was Jelly Bean. And it was so hard for some reason. But if it's something like ice cream, like that's more easy. Or like chocolate.
They can like just write the
You
word.
cannot write down like the words or do mimic.
Oh, I'm not supposed to mime or whatever, which means I can't do
No,
stuff
but
like that.
It's also writing and mimic. We cannot do that.
Like if you somehow
she
like
cannot move
say what
or
the
do
word
anything
is,
like
but
that.
without drawing it.
No.
I don't feel good. I should have eaten today.
I think the longer we take to solve it, the more we get hanged. So we need to like speed up and help each other.
That's a good point. That's a good point.
Maybe. I think it's just you get points for getting the letters right, and whoever has the most points, whoever has the least, the two teams with the least points at the end lose.
But I don't get it. What do they mean by wrong letter? Is it like if you misspell
So
it,
if the word is
mistype it or
apple,
something?
yeah, if the word is like apple and you put Z in, then it's a wrong letter.
Okay, I see.
What if that's the strategy? But what if she's also right? Or they'll raise you more, depending on
But I wonder if
how
we
fast.
all get to type or just one person types.
I think we all get the they all get the type.
I think we all can.
Don't be stupid, guys. Come on.
I don't know though.
Yeah.
Sí, estoy listo.
I've done this a million times, guys. Realistically, even if I'm not the best drawer, I am one of the most experienced guess the word players in the game. So even if we have a shit draw, we can still get the point across them in the most efficient way. It's not about how do I say this? It's not about the quality of the drawing. It's about getting the point across. For example, never mind, I'm not going to say that example, but you know what I mean. Sorry, I'm just going through my head like a bunch of different things. Like draw like you would draw in first grade, basically.
I think it's just gonna. It might just be in English for us. I don't know.
Hello, you can ask to the Gurado if you have questions.
Thank you. I don't have any questions. I know that you click the lectern and then you draw, and that's it.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Hold on, people are typing in the chat. I want to see what they're saying.
Because it can't be two different. It can't be like in English and Spanish at the same time, right?
Well, you have the game in English and we have it in Spanish. So maybe you get apple and we get apple in Spanish. Maybe.
Maybe. And then we have to type it in ourselves. Maybe. Yeah,
Yeah, you
maybe. I
type-
don't know. So maybe you would type.
Since we have both English speaker and Spanish speakers on our team, are we only going to have to do it in English or Spanish for them, or I'm just confused.
Yeah, that will cost us 2 points or more. So, I don't know. Let's see.
Me and George just typed the exact same thing in the Discord. we both typed we have English and Spanish speakers on our team. How does that work? And George typed, how does it work for my team? We're half English, half Spanish.
I don't know who to add though, but I asked.
That's hilarious.
Ask already?
I just did.
Okay, let us know. Okay, I will ask too.
Honestly, I'm not super nervous anymore, guys. I think that we definitely have a chance at survival here.
Let the game begin.
Okay. Tornado. Okay. Come on, go. You got it. Good. Come on. Come on. We set the scene. We set the scene. It kind of looks like a piece of poop. Yo, good job. Good job. Wait, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Hello? 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 Are we not allowed to speak to each other? Okay. Dream. It's Dream. It's Dream. D-R-E-A-M. Oh, okay. It's Angel. It's Angel. A-N. Oh my god. That was almost like a red herring, George. That was freaking bad. That was bad. That was bad. I was about to guess Dream because the A is in the E is in the same spot as Angel. That was so bad. What the fuck? What the fuck? Who did that? Who did that? Don't fucking do that. Door. Church. Grave. Hospital. Put a red cross. Hospital. O-S. P. I. T. Good job. Good job. Good shit, Sapnap. I can't believe George chose the right color for green. That was great. I'm proud of him for that, because he can't see. Press escape, press escape, 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 press escape, press escape. Press the lectern, 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 press the lectern. Oh my fucking god, I'm actually going to start screaming. Press the lectern, press the lectern, press the, no, holy shit. What the fuck? What the fuck? Press the lectern, press the lectern. Okay. Car. T. Is this in Spanish? Taxi. Oh my god. Holy shit. Sorry. Sorry. Okay,
Yes, click al board. Okay.
Wait, hello?
Oh, we
Hello?
can talk now.
Okay, okay, we can talk now. I'm sorry, I didn't know you had to
1, 2, 3.
touch the word.
6 letters,
okay.
6 letters, 6 letters, 6 letters.
Should we try
Oh
E?
god, you have to right click the fucking
Lectern. You have to
thing.
click the lectern.
Lectern, lectern. Right click it, someone message. Okay, I think she got it.
Should we try E? Letter E?
No, no, we don't do it. Just wait, just wait, just wait.
Wait to draw.
Sorry, I guess that they didn't
6
really
letters.
say that.
What color is that?
Brown.
Brown.
Guitar?
I think it's
yeah, like a
V-I-O-L-I-N.
guitar.
I think it's violin. I think it's violin. It's
Yeah,
violin.
nice.
Good. Sapnap.
Of course, Sapnap knows what the violin is.
Woohoo!
Go, 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 go.
Okay, I think I'm next.
Okay, nice.
Woo!
Okay.
We're doing good. 2 letters.
Good,
3,
good, guys. Good,
4,
guys.
5.
You know?
5 letters.
5 letters.
5 letters.
We're
Okay.
second right now.
5 letters.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
So it's in English for you guys?
No, it's in
It's like
Spanish.
a book. No,
Oh.
okay, it's-
Okay.
It's like a.
I feel like it might. I feel like it might be the Bible.
Piano,
It's a
maybe,
piano. It's a piano. It's a
Oh,
piano.
piano. There you go. I want to put one in.
I think.
Hey,
I know.
I don't
know.
get how this is working.
I
with
know a way to
English and Spanish.
metagame. I know a way to metagame.
Yeah, it's
to
crazy.
stop
Maybe
drawing
they
once they say it. But I'm not gonna do that.
Words that are
That is metagaming.
the
though.
same.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do you spell piano the same?
Yeah, we
It was
say
piano, good job.
we say piano, taxi.
Oh, that's kind of smart actually.
Okay, 6 letters.
Yeah.
6 letters. 6 letters.
6 letters. Banana. Is it yellow? Banana,
Yeah.
right?
Oh yeah, it's
banana.
banana.
It's
It's banana.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Go,
Okay.
go.
Good luck.
Nice.
Good, guys.
Gia,
good.
that was awesome.
Yeah. Well, it's not. It's
That's
totally
perfect.
not.
Oh my god, why am I
Okay, 9 letters by the way. This
Jeez.
shit is like
9.
massive.
Okay, come on, George.
Yeah,
Come
we're
on.
gonna see good. We're gonna do good score.
Oh my gosh.
This might be a hard one.
You did
It
disable.
takes a few seconds to allow you to see the screen.
What the fuck?
Okay. Made a thick line.
Orangish brown, thick line.
He can't really see brown, so I don't know.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh,
What? George,
No.
stop! Is he stupid?
no, you cannot write.
Oh my fucking god.
Okay. I'm trying just words.
Oh, he said brown because he can't see brown. He can't see brown.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
But what word is
Are you guessing letters?
What is that?
I'm guessing letters. Yeah.
What is
Is
it?
it? It looks like a.
He doesn't know if that's brown or green or something, so we wrote brown.
Okay, I think they
Okay,
cannot
that's fair.
blame us on that.
That's not cheating in my opinion.
I have no idea what that is.
I
Think
don't know
outside
what
the
that
box.
is.
I have no idea.
Like what the fuck is that, George?
Like a basketball or something? Basketball? It's like a cage.
Oh.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Oh, chocolate. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Good job,
What
good
a
job.
dumbass. That was terrible. That was a terrible
Yeah.
drawing, George.
He's gonna freak out.
No, it's not my fault.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
I thought it was good.
okay,
I
it's
thought it
okay.
was good.
It was fine. It was fine. It
You're
was fine.
awful. You're awful.
Hey, George, it's okay. It's okay. It was fine.
It's
it was
okay.
fine.
We're on
okay, you
third.
did
We're on
good.
third place. We're on
You
third
did-
place.
you did
It's
good,
okay.
you
It's
did
okay.
I hope we don't get disqualified because you wrote brown. but-
No, I didn't know which one brown was. If I couldn't find brown, you guys were not gonna get it.
yeah,
waffle,
like that
pero
could have
tiene
been
muchas
green
letras.
or something. Okay.
Hey. Okay.
Yeah, pay
attention.
5 words.
5 letters.
Five
Circle?
letters.
It looks like a face.
Oh no, that's not too. That's too
It's a
many.
face. Alien. It's an alien. It's alien. A-L-I-E-N.
Nice.
That was really
I'm a fucking
good.
goat.
You're the goat for that.
Good,
That was
good,
great.
good.
That was good, Sabna.
Good guys.
Yeah, you like
I
that
might
shit,
just,
don't you?
I might just draw in black.
Shoot Hannah, shoot Hannah.
I
Okay.
don't know, like.
Shoot Hannah.
No, don't.
Okay, it's a long word.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters. 8 letters. You're in my fucking way, guard. Could you back up a little bit,
Attention.
please?
One team has been penalized for breaking the rules.
Is that us?
Please, follow
No.
It was
the
us.
instructions.
Yeah, it was us.
They took. He's colorblind.
He's colorblind!
I didn't know the rule. I can't know what color it is.
You
Just
stupid
click the word.
fuck.
Wait, the drawing.
It's
Is it
hamburger, it's hamburger, it's
sandwich or
hamburger.
hamburger? Is it sandwich or hamburger? Okay. It's sandwich.
Sandwich.
It's sandwich.
Sandwich. Whatever. George, god damn it. Don't fucking write it. you
No,
dumbass.
I didn't know what to do. If it was
it doesn't-
brown, if it wasn't
doesn't-
brown,
it
you might not
doesn't-
have got it.
It doesn't matter. Why would you write shit, you stupid fuck?
I don't think you should have
I just wrote the color. I just wrote the color. I didn't know what to do. I think that's fair.
I guess.
Like it would have actually slowed me down.
And I guess it didn't really like.
Nos bajaron puntos porque escribió una palabra.
It just actually made it confusing for everyone.
See,
Whatever.
let's not write anymore.
Yeah, seriously. I don't know
Like,
why
you
you
did
would do
good.
that.
You did good. You did good.
Radar.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
5 letters.
Sound maybe? Try S. Try S.
No.
No, do O.
Oh, no,
okay.
no, stop.
Ay, es un radar, es un radar.
Radar.
Radar. Yeah.
That was hard.
Good,
that was
good,
really
good.
hard. That was really
No,
hard.
that was
a
hard.
tough
That
one.
was
That was a
hard.
tough one. Good job. George is just trying to get us to fucking lose. So.
6 letters.
You did good. It's
No,
okay.
it's not. I didn't know
George,
what
it's
to
okay.
do.
It's okay.
It's okay. Don't worry.
For the record, George, green is bottom left, and it goes from, like. Okay.
The dinosaur?
Dinosaur. It's too short.
Too.
Yeah, too short. Dog?
No.
Is that a red tongue? It's green.
Or it's meat.
Lizard? Lizard.
Oh.
I think it might be lizard.
Yes, I think.
It's
Wait,
lizard.
Li's.
Wait, a
Wait,
fish?
no, there's a fish. There's a fish. Should we just guess a letter?
Should we just put an A? Let's guess an A.
Yeah.
'cause it's
Yeah.
probably.
Okay. Or an
Maybe an eye?
Oh my god.
A.
Oh,
Animal.
Animal. Guys, we need to hurry up. The other teams are catching up with us, so we could be 10. We could have 60 points and be in second, be feeling really good. But George decided to write fucking brown.
Look,
It's okay, George. It's fine.
I feel like we can get those
That's
points
okay.
back. That's like
That's
It's okay. I can't believe he did that.
Okay. Puta madre.
9
A
letters.
huevo va a tener una E.
E.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Oh. I feel like we shouldn't guess until she starts drawing.
Yeah. Let's be bold. We have to.
Okay.
to go ahead. It has nine letters. Of course, it's going to be an E.
That's actually kind of
True,
fair.
maybe.
It's
like
not
a bomb.
elephant.
ELEPHANT is not enough words. Letters.
Explosion.
Explosion.
Explode.
Oh yeah, it's explosion.
wait.
It's explosion. It's explosion. It's explosion. Good shit.
With T. Ah, whoa, okay.
We would be in, George, I'm just saying, like, I'm not trying to bust your balls.
I
but we
thought
would
it
be in
was
first place.
spelled with
We
T.
would- we-
and
Oh,
we would be in
it's
first
okay. I
place,
got it. I
George.
got
We'd
it.
literally be in first place,
Oof.
George. We'd literally be in first place. Not trying to bust your balls.
Leave
or
him
anything,
alone.
but
Leave him
yeah,
alone. Leave him
we'd
alone.
be in-
It's fine.
We'd be in first
George,
place.
it's fine.
Okay.
He can do it. He can do it.
Okay.
Bottom
7
left two
letters.
are green.
Oh, can he? I think he can hear us. Maybe he can.
He can
describe
hear us.
the
He
colors
can hear us. He can hear us.
for us. Okay.
It looks like a guy who's
What
dead.
the fuck is that?
It looks like a guy who's dead.
Yeah.
DYI.
Yeah, it looks like a dead guy.
No sé qué es. No estoy entendiendo.
Oh,
Maybe
drunk.
murder?
Drunk.
No, drunk.
Alcohol.
Alcohol?
It's
Alcohol?
alcohol.
Yeah, alcohol. It's alcohol. It's
Alcohol, yeah,
alcohol.
alcohol.
Good job. Good job.
Good job.
Good job. Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're almost in second place.
It's too close for comfort right now.
8 letters.
Okay.
Okay, 8. Venga.
We are fourth.
Oh. I thought that was a. Okay.
Among Us. Wait, Among Us? Is that actually?
Wait, no.
Base?
Imposter.
Astronaut?
Wait.
It might be imposter. I am. Good job.
Imposter.
Holy crap. Oh my god.
Wow.
Hello.
Sussy.
I would never have guessed that.
Sussy. Sabnam knew we would get it.
I'm a fucking genius.
You did great.
Wow.
Okay, come on.
Oh. ¿Cuántas letras son?
8
Diagonal.
letters, I think.
Diagonal.
One. Okay.
An arrow?
No. No.
Arrow, maybe? Maybe? Oh.
No, it can't be arrow. Arrow's too short.
Wait. She's erasing. She's erasing.
How do you even erase?
Diagonal.
you need to
Diagonal
click
is a
the
word in English? Diagonal?
Yeah, diagonal. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
diagonal, yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Diagonal.
Nice.
Holy shit.
Genial.
That was so
Genial.
hard. That was so
Wait,
hard.
we kind of have an advantage because
That
we can
was so
check
hard.
things like that.
Holy shit.
That was so hard.
That's kind of cool though. They found words that are the same.
Wow.
That was so
Wow.
hard.
It's really
good.
My heart was beating
That
so
was
fast.
good.
Yeah, it was a difficult one.
I did
It was good.
Hey, we're
perpendicular.
on second place now.
Did they give our points back or did we
No,
just
they didn't.
carry?
They didn't.
Cinco letras, okay.
5. 5.
It's getting a lot harder now.
Yeah, a little bit.
There's only
We got
3
this,
minutes
guys.
left. I think we're good.
We
It was
gotta
just the
speed up
bottom
a
2
little
teams, right?
Is that an angle?
I don't
Triangle?
remember.
Wait, let
Triangle?
him finish.
Pizza?
Let him
Is it
finish.
pizza? Maybe pizza.
E-I-Z-C.
Wait. Oh no.
No. Pasta? No. Pasta, maybe? Pasta?
Pass.
Okay.
What is the little dot?
Point. What color is that? Orange?
Yeah,
Nacho?
that's-
Nacho?
It's nacho.
Oh,
It's
nacho.
nacho.
C.
Nacho.
C.
Oh my god.
Oh
Holy-
my god.
Good,
I'm
good.
so
Bien.
good.
Bien.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Alright, what is that?
7.
Fucking 7 letters?
Okay, we got this, guys.
I'm freaking out.
Okay, a box.
How do you erase?
House.
Click the eraser on the
Wait,
bottom right.
I can't see
Click the
anything.
eraser.
Oh, it just showed up.
Seems like a house.
M-A-N-S-I-O-N. Is it mansion or?
What, do you guys want to try it? Let's put A. Let's
Put A.
This is too
Put
short.
A. Mansion is not too short.
Maybe M? Yeah, it
There's
could
no
be
A.
mansion, I think.
Let's put O. Let's put O. Let's put O. I'm putting O.
Put O.
Oh,
Put O.
yeah, mansion's
It's
actually
mansion.
fine.
It's
It's
mansion.
mansion.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
mansion.
Whoops. My. Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, George.
Okay, it's mansion. Just put it in. I'm sorry.
George is really
Yeah.
trying to get some
Yeah,
I thought it was
shit,
8
bro.
letters. I thought it was 8. Okay.
George really wants us to lose this
Hey,
game.
you need the
Bro,
you need
we,
me
would,
this.
we would be in first by so
Okay.
much. Holy shit.
It's okay.
You're lucky we're gonna win, George. I'd be fucking. Oh my god, if we died here.
If we
I'd
died
lose
here,
my
I would
shit.
actually
No, we
never
could
forgive
have
you.
just farmed drama. It's fine. We would have farmed drama.
We would have been revived on the last day.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Son 6. Venga, cabrón, son 6.
6 letters. I can't see what that is. Fuck.
Might be
Creo que
lagged.
estamos en tercer lugar. Tenemos que.
Is it lagged? It's a face.
Hair. Old person. I see white on the top. So like white hair. Oh.
Looks like Roblox. Chef?
Both?
Hospital?
No, doctor.
Nurse
Doctor.
or doctor?
Doctor. You're doctor. Put an O. Put an O.
Put an
Put
O.
O.
Someone put no.
Okay,
Yes,
doctor.
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 Good luck, George.
Sorry, I didn't want to confuse with the white hair.
That was good.
It's all good.
Estamos en primer lugar. Tiene muchas letras. Vamos a
8
intentar.
letters. 8 letters. What the?
I'm sorry.
frick?
I'm sorry.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
It's okay, it's okay.
George,
Okay, it
try.
doesn't
That's
have an E.
funny.
It doesn't have an E.
It doesn't have an E. We know that much.
Okay.
That's to be fair, that's useful information. So.
Let's try A.
Wait.
okay?
No more.
All right.
Let him go. Let him
No
go.
more.
No.
Sorry,
No
but
more.
I got it. Okay.
No more.
Fuck it.
The vowels don't even really help me.
T.
What's that?
E-E-R. Criminal.
Criminal. Good job.
Oh wow.
Good job.
Bro, you're the fucking goat.
Thank you.
Yo, he's crazy.
You're crazy. You're
Alright, we
goated.
won. There's 8 seconds left. Holy shit. Guys, we'd be up by fucking
it's just
21 points.
my drawing was just so good. That's the only reason. My drawing was so good.
We'd be up by 21 fucking points.
I feel like they gave us the points back. I think they gave the points
They might
back.
have given us the points back.
There's no way we're this far
We would
ahead.
have. Wait,
Wait,
we
did
would have
win?
still won.
Maybe.
We would have
It's
still
over.
won if they didn't give us the
We
points
won.
back.
We won. Good job.
Yay.
Oh my
Good job,
god.
guys.
Let us out of this shit, please.
Let me out. Let me go.
Someone took it out.
Please.
Who's team E and team C?
Attention. The 9th game has concluded.
my
All
lord.
players have
Yay,
survived
good job,
hang
guys.
Hey.
Please walk to the exit.
Yo, wait, can you hear me?
Forward to the next
Wait,
game.
I wanna see the
Can you
teams.
hear me?
that got
Yeah.
team
They would have.
E.
We would have won
Hi.
if they didn't give us our points back.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah. They would have won anyways.
I think they might have given them back. There's no way we're that far ahead, right?
¡Coso de hierro! ¡Hacete un coso de hierro, hermano! ¡Un coso de hierro!
Imposible. Era un material. No sé cómo hacerlo, te juro.
Good job, guys. We did it.
Good job.
Yeah,
Hello?
we
Did you
good
see
job.
We are the best
that
team.
that
Good job,
draw?
good job.
That
Yeah.
drawing?
Let
Did you
me
see that drawing?
No. No.
No,
No.
Ricoy, hermano, no.
No.
Hermano.
Voice crack. Respect to you guys because I wanted you guys to die because
Are you
of
dead?
fun.
Are you dead?
It was fun.
Albert, are you dead?
It was fun.
Yeah, I'm so dead!
Are you serious? No.
El Diablo! El Diablo!
No. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.
It was a pleasure. It was a
It
pleasure.
was a pleasure. I'm going to cry.
Estúpido! Oh my god!
Stop moving.
Rich, calentaré las sábanas por ti, hombre.
Oh my god. No! Ari! Oh my god, no! Oh my god. 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 This is so bad. This is so bad. This is so bad.
Qué guapada, tío. O sea, con respeto, está muy guapo hecho esto, ¿eh? Lo siento, pero está muy guapo
This
hecho
is
esto.
so bad. This is like a trigger warning. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Follow me, follow me. My allies. We have to support Ari. We have to support Ari.
Amigo, esto es
It's
muy
just a
crudo.
game, guys. It's
Papá,
it's
tenías
alright. Ari.
No.
Ari, please.
¿Por qué ahora hay que ver verde?
Pan. Ah, no.
¿Por qué?
Ari,
perdón.
No.
No pude protegerte.
¿Cómo que perdón?
¿Murió Ari?
Voy a proteger.
No
amigo.
mames. No Ari.
That's so sad.
No, Ari. A ver. Amigo, estoy traumado.
Yo estoy bailando, hermano.
No te escucho, hijo. Bueno, fumaremos pero en verde.
Muy triste.
She crazy.
That's so sad. Okay. Achilles, thank you for the sub. Listen, guys, I heard what you were saying. Chill. I'm your only ally left.
Content, please, tenemos que hablar, de algo.
Chill.
Sí.
Venga.
Hello.
You're in the game. Hola.
We have to team. Why can't I hear anybody? I can't hear anyone.
¿Dónde está?
Hola. Hola.
Hola.
Hi.
We're the best.
We're the best.
We are the best.
We're the best of both worlds.
Attention, players 45, 150, 26, 169, 102, 139.
I'm gonna be real.
167, 34, 21.
I'm gonna be real. I need someone to make an edit.
Eliminated.
I'm gonna need someone to make a TikTok edit where it's of me, Sabnap, and George, and of the sound where they couldn't do it without me, and then it's like the Breaking Bad sound, and put me, because they literally couldn't have done it without me. They couldn't have done it without me, and no matter how many times they say that they want to kill me and that they don't want to team with me, they need me, and they can't do it without me.
The 9th game has concluded.
Let's be real. Let's be real.
All players that survive Hangman, please walk to the exit. We'll move forward to the next game.
What would they have done? What would they have done? I got so many hard words. I got radar, diagonal. Huh? I want to see George draw a radar. A diagonal. He couldn't. He couldn't.
Attention.
Blind deaf
The
mute
9th
challenge?
game has
Who would they have done that with? Who?
All players that survive Hangman.
Nobody.
Please walk to the exit. We'll move forward to the next game.
Bro couldn't do chocolate. Bro couldn't do chocolate. Hi.
Ghana, they are gone.
Ghana.
They are gone.
I'm alive.
They are gone.
We got first place.
Oh, you were the first place. We
Yeah.
almost got you. You know, we stuck on the alcohol one. I don't know if you had the same words, but
What word?
alcohol, something like that.
Oh.
Alcohol.
Alcohol.
The 9th game has concluded.
I love alcohol.
All players that survive Hangman.
What?
Please
What?
walk to the exit.
What?
We'll move forward to the
I love alcohol.
Oh my God. Hannah? No.
Why?
Very
Why?
bad. Very bad.
Why?
You're laughing at us because we are from Latin America, right?
No. I would never do that.
You're having so much change on your character right now. That is not the Hannah that I met on the first day.
No, I haven't changed.
That's right. That's
I
right.
don't even recognize you anymore.
You changed,
No,
Hannah.
don't say that.
Yes.
I'm at a
You changed, Hannah.
trying to call all my change I spent on you. Where
And the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after.
Feeling like a marina that is watching a very hot for nothing. Watching Mary Mary and getting nothing.
I didn't know you were gonna do the rap part.
W's
in the chat.
That was very, very good. Muy bien, muy
Mariana
bien.
is dead because of you. And you laugh.
No, I would never laugh.
You laugh.
I would never laugh.
It's funny, Hannah.
He's not dead because of
It's
me.
funny the death for friend.
No, he's not dead.
For you?
It's
No,
funny?
no, no.
It's funny for you?
No, it is not funny. He's not dead because of me. It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
Te ríes. ¿Es divertido para ti? It's
No.
funny for you?
No.
Okay, Hannah. Okay.
Es muy triste, muy triste.
When we get you,
When we get you,
Hmm.
we don't forgive. We don't forgive.
Listen, we could sing another song together.
Okay. I don't know. Aldo, ¿una canción?
¿Qué?
¿Una canción para cantar? No sé.
There comes a time when we hear a certain call,
I don't
when
know
the
this one.
world must come together as one. There
No me
are
la sé, pero
people dying, so it's time to lend a hand to life. The greatest gift of all. Oye, tengo miedo, güey. ¿Cuál será la siguiente prueba, güey? Oh, this is a very popular song on our country, Hannah. Mexicanos al grito de guerra, el acero a prestar el bridón. Ya no la canto, güey, porque si me equivoco me pueden multar.
Muy bien.
Es verdad. Sí, mejor
Ya.
no.
Oye, ¿cuál será la siguiente? What do you think about the next challenge? Do you think it will be hard? Ajá, es lo de la leche, milk.
A milk game. I think I know what it will be. Milk the cow.
Yeah.
Milk the cow?
Milk the cow.
And maybe one player is the cow, you know?
Maybe. Maybe. Milk the cow. I don't know.
Increíble.
Hanna,
No lo sé.
tengo miedo. Tengo miedo.
Hanna, he's scared.
Tengo un chingo de miedo. Me estoy cagando,
scared.
Hanna. Me estoy cagando. No
pooping
mames.
himself
Tengo un chingo
from
de
fear.
miedo.
You're pooping yourself from fear.
Yes, yes. I have fear.
Yo creo que iremos al juego directamente. por
Oh
lógica, ¿no?
no.
Sí, creo que sí.
Sí, sí, yo creo que sí.
Shadun, what's the next game?
We don't know. We think it's
Bueno,
Team of
ya
Two,
tuvimos
but
nuestra conclusión.
we don't know if it's like friendly or like we have to be fair or friendly.
Okay. Can you vouch for me for a teammate? Or can you find someone for me? Tell them that I'm good. Tell them that I'm
The
good.
Georgians, Snap.
But is that true or you
They'll,
just want them to
they'll
tell
team.
us?
They will team.
Is that true? Are you actually good, Hannah?
Me? Yes, yes.
Yes, it's very good. It's actually very,
But,
very.
but is it actually true?
Yeah.
Yes. Susi, te dejo. Si no
I'm
ti-
also looking for a teammate. That's why I'm asking.
Susi, no
But
puedes.
only if you're really good. If,
No
if
puedes
not,
tener mejor que Ana. No puedes tener mejor que Ana. Te lo juego. No es bait. Juega a Minecraft desde 2013 y juega PvP y...
En serio, pero entonces
es
pobrecita,
muy
¿no?
bueno.
Yo no llevo mucho tiempo.
PvP.
Yo os veo como buen dúo, Suci, os lo digo en serio.
Oh,
Sí,
George,
muy
George.
inteligente, Susi,
Además, la
es muy
comunicación la tenéis.
Hola.
O sea,
Hola, idiota.
¿Cómo que
I kind of
idiota?
wish. I kind of wish we
Sí, era
lost
profética.
by 10 points, just to see what would have happened.
I would have literally. You don't even want to know what I would have done. That's all.
No,
I'm
I
saying.
think that would have been
Cuando me
very
hice
good for
streamer,
us.
dejé de
I think,
trabajar,
I think we would have been let
Susi,
back
yo
in,
no
and I think
creo
that would
en
have
las
been epic
casualidades.
juicy
Tú
drama.
va con Ana, estás
¿Tú
obligada.
crees en el destino? Yo creo en el destino.
Epic.
Un poco, la
I
verdad.
like chocolate.
Ana,
Sí,
Yes.
I think it's a good teammate.
Okay.
She's
Okay.
very intelligent and she's an English teacher, so
Ooh,
you know.
oh,
Welcome
yeah.
everyone to the
Okay, okay,
10th
okay.
game.
Oh, we're at
This
the next
game
game.
we played in pairs.
Yes,
Once you
exactly.
found your partner, please hold each other's hand. You'll have 5 minutes.
What do you think this game's going to be, guys?
Claro que sí, pero no quiero condicionarte a ti.
A mí da igual, Viñi, lo que tú quieras, ¿eh? No importa, de verdad.
So are we team?
Mario.
Hannah?
Oh yeah, yeah. We can team.
¿Cómo está mi rey?
You wanna
¿Preparado?
be, yes?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What do you think? What do you think we have to do now?
I have no idea.
Do you have any like theories or something?
It might be a milk the
George.
cow type of thing.
I think so too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get down.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I think it'll be something milking the cow.
Maybe in the trailer, like yesterday's trailer, they were like there was like a huge
Things of milk.
jar.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
But do you think we have to do it at the same time, like carry it together?
I think that we might have to bring milk back to the jar, and whoever gets the most milk, maybe.
Welcome everyone to the 10th game.
Okay.
I practiced it.
This game will be played in pairs. Once you found your partner, please hold each other's hand. You'll have 5 minutes.
Hello. Pairs, not teams. Ooh. Well, even if, no matter what it is, I think we can be successful. Hello?
Practice it. Hi.
Oh, sorry.
I was-
The microphones went off. What did you say?
I think nothing. I was talking to my chat. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, my theory is that we have to like milk a cow and just carry and just fill up
Doesn't
the
have teammates.
Me too. Me too.
thing.
Everyone might
What's
have
it called?
teammates.
The
The game?
like that jar? No.
Oh, the milk carton or the glass bottle? I don't know.
Yeah, the bottle. Yes.
The bottle. Yeah. Okay. Whew. I believe we can do it. Do you want to go talk to
think
my
we can do it,
friends?
yes.
You're following
Hey, if
me.
you
Follow
want,
me.
Let's go. Okay.
Hey guys, would you like to meet my teammate?
Sure.
Hola.
Hey,
Hola.
Susie, I want you to
Hola.
know
No,
she's
no hablo
teaming.
inglés.
Hannah is teaming with you because she's going to try and kill you.
No, that's not true. That's not
Really?
true.
It is.
I shouldn't
Sí,
have
sí,
introduced her to
sí,
you
hablo
guys.
inglés.
See,
I
she is going
Okay,
to
I
try
lied.
to kill you.
I do speak English. Really?
No,
Yeah.
no,
I'm
they're
not
being.
I'm telling you right
Don't do
now.
that.
I'm telling you right now. Hannah thinks this is a game where you kill your
No,
teammates.
no,
and
I
she
don't.
chose you
I don't. I
because
thought that
she
was the
wants to kill
last game.
you.
I thought the Hangman game was where you kill your teammates, but I don't
Yeah,
think
now
this one
that's
is.
even
you went with
I
them
think it's
the
that one
last
even
game.
more.
Exactly, because we're not
So then
friends.
that's a lie.
No, I don't mind if they die. I don't mind if they die. They've been so
Stand
mean
up.
to me
I don't
this
know what
whole
to do. I
event.
don't know what to do, stand up. I don't know what to do either. Do we? Is our teammate dying or are we winning as a team? I don't know.
I don't know. I think that the last game, I thought they were going to die, your teammates. Like, I was very, very...
Yeah, and now it's even more likely that it's this game. So, congrats. You want Susie to die.
Guys. Okay.
Hello.
Like I read some like theories yesterday on Twitter, and they said maybe like we can steal from each other from between teams. So I thought in this case we don't focus each other. Okay.
Don't
like
focus each other.
We do allies against the other guys.
Like a pact, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. We have 4 teams, okay? The
I don't know what to do,
Snapchat and Jorge, Susie and Hannah, Counter and me, and
Okay.
Captain Gato and Chris Green.
Muy bien, muy bien.
Yep.
Respecto,
Dime,
respecto.
Este juego es en contra de tu dúo.
No sabemos.
Sound up, I don't know what to do.
Va a ser en contra, acuérdate.
No pasa nada, va a
Bueno,
sobrevivir
no
uno.
pasa nada.
Piensa en la amistad bonita.
Exactamente.
I
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Y luego invita a uno
Hi,
a la
guys.
cena ahí, una cena
Let's
acá.
go away from them.
No puedo saber.
They're liars, Susie. They're liars.
Pues tonto entonces.
She's just trying to drag you
Susie,
off so
they're
she can go
liars.
kill you.
No, Susie, run away, They're liars.
You know what? I don't know if they're lying, but I mean, we have to be a team.
We do,
so
we do.
It doesn't matter. If you kill me, I'll die happy.
If you kill me, I will also die happy, and I'll root for you.
Okay.
No, but they're actually liars. Wait.
Okay.
Vamos.
Trust you, okay?
Okay.
In the next game, like tomorrow.
Hola.
So please,
Vamos.
Hola,
Hi.
Hannah.
Okay.
PvP.
Okay.
Un PvP.
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 O miedo.
PvP.
¿Cómo que PvP?
Yeah.
PvP 1v1 right now. Right now.
Pero de
How many?
Sara muchas atrás.
We had a good
1v1.
fight yesterday.
No.
Sí, eres muy buena.
Good fight.
You're pro?
Okay.
See.
I remember
Yes,
you
no.
playing
Sí, ella es
with
pro.
Shadoon.
Yeah, really?
she's
A lot of
amazing.
Yeah,
years
we play
ago.
with Counter.
She's still alive until today.
Time is passing so fast.
It is. I can't believe Elrich died.
Yeah, I can't believe it either, actually. Like, he's really intelligent, and his team was very good at this game. But they said, like, it was imposter, and, like, they didn't.
But Among Us, Sussy.
Yeah, I think they tried, but I think because, like,
Do you think?
there was some words that, like, maybe it's easier in, like, more common in English than in Spanish.
Oh, okay. Maybe. I agree.
Like, we had criminal, and, like, it was very hard for us.
Criminal was really hard. We had to guess random letters for that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Ooh. The harder word from us was sandwich.
Oh.
Yeah, sandwich. Because like there was an H, and we were like, what Spanish words last with H? Like there's none. That doesn't exist.
Mm-hmm.
A fucking H.
H.
And there's and there's a W, and there's like no W in Spanish either.
Mm-hmm. That's
But,
so
yeah,
bad.
GG. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Good luck, and
Good luck.
I
Good
see you
luck.
in the finals. Okay.
Okay. Good luck.
We hope you don't steal from us, Shadow.
No, I won't. Trust me, I
Okay.
won't.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't really trust him. Okay?
Me neither.
That's a secret.
Okay, we made some allies. I think that we're ready. We're
Maybe
good.
allies, but if we have to steal, maybe we'll think about it.
Yeah. I think so too.
Exactly.
Okay.
We have to kill them all. Kill all the Spanish.
Oh no!
We have to kill all the Spanish. But he's French, but him too.
He is French. He is French. Oh.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my
Claro, yo
gosh.
creo que spameando así la tecla es mejor,
Oh my lordy lord. All right, by the end of today, guys, I'm gonna need to see an edit of me, Sapnap, and George. Of they couldn't have done it without me. Breaking Bad sound. If I don't see one, then I'm quitting streaming forever.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, I thought we were meeting.
I was talking to my chat.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. It's opening. It's opening.
Sí. Depende de la prueba. Ojalá eliminan, pues, City.
Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What? What the hell is this?
Attention, all players. Please select one of the paths located in front of you.
What is this?
Confío en el 5, va.
What is this?
What do you think we have to do?
I think it's bringing the milk in this thing to the other side and putting the milk in the glass and filling it
Yeah,
up.
but like, how do we do it? Because do you think we both have to do it?
I have no idea. I think it'll explain. Hold on, I'm gonna be right back.
¿Ves hasta el fondo?
Okay. I just want to see.
Okay. Yeah, let's see. Let's see this. Oh, maybe
Creo
no.
que sí, eso es obvio.
The tenth game is called Milky Way. Each pair will be given a bucket that you must fill by milking a cow. Once the bucket is full, you both must carry it and take it to the other side to fill the container. The last 5 pairs that don't manage to fill up the container will be eliminated.
All right, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back.
Attention, all players, please pay attention. At the beginning of the game, each pair must milk their cow by constantly pressing right-click on her udders. When the bucket is full, interact with it so you can lift it into the next wheelbarrow and carry it to the other end.
I can click fast.
The more right clicks the pair makes to the wheelbarrow, the higher their speed. But if the wheelbarrow starts to shake, they must slow down or the bucket will fall. And if this happens, they must have to go back and repeat the process from the beginning. When you reach the container, the bucket will deposit the milk and you must quickly return to the start with your wheelbarrow to repeat the process a total of 5 times. The winners will be shown with the green light and the last 5 places with the red light.
Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Muy nerviosa. Is that a word? I'm nervous.
Hello?
Hello? Okay.
So we basically have to spam right click.
Yeah, I can click fast. I think that we should start off a little bit slow, just test the waters when we go and bring it to the other side.
When we go, yes,
And then we'll
yes.
just say like faster, slower, stop.
Okay. I mean,
If you see it
you
shaking.
know more about Minecraft than me, so maybe you can just call it. Like you can be the.
Okay. Yeah, if you hear
you
it
can say,
shaking.
now, if we need to, you know.
Okay.
And I'll just follow your.
Okay.
If we have to do that. Okay.
Okay. Nice. We'll be fine. We can do it.
Yeah.
Maybe one person goes on like the left side and one person goes on the right side. I'll go on the right side. Like here. Like
Alright,
kind of like
I'll
this.
do that.
You take that handle and I'll... Okay, that's good. That's good. We got it.
Perfect. We can do it. We can do it.
I wonder how many clicks it'll take.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
I wonder how many clicks it'll take.
Oh, me too. No idea. But I mean, at the cow, we can't spam. What I wonder is something different. If someone can steal or not, because we don't have a door.
You're right, we don't have a door.
Like, anyone could just come and steal us.
Yeah.
Es una banda, sí, una banda, es una banda, es
una banda. Is it blocked off?
No creo que seamos tantos
No.
Hola. Friendly.
Hi, obviously.
Friendly.
Hello. No, Susi, está todo mal, Susi. No.
¿Por qué está todo mal?
Nah, joda, chiste. No, ¿cómo?
Dude, you probably can take other people's.
Sí, sí, es verdad.
Y que todas las colas se mueven al mismo tiempo, al unísono.
Es verdad. It's only that all the tails move at the same time.
Oh, 30 second.
Ooh. Okay.
Let the game begin.
Okay, we can do it, okay?
I believe. I'm gonna turn off my push to talk.
Sí.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good. I voice chat, so I'm always talking. All right, be ready.
Should we start now?
Yep. Okay. It's the udders. The udders, not the. Click the udders.
Yeah, I'm clicking.
Wait.
Just hold it. Hold right click.
Oh, okay.
If you hold it goes faster. Yeah.
Okay. Click the udders, I think.
Yes.
The pink part. Okay.
Just hold it. Okay, have it. Okay. You can hold the right. Careful. Sorry, I went to the right.
Sorry. I can't tell when it's shaking.
It's shaking a little bit. Do you see it? That it's shaking a little bit?
Okay, now we stop maybe?
I think we're fine.
I don't know if that's just normal.
I think this level I think is fine. If we keep the distance with the thing, I think it's fine.
Okay.
Let's just keep the rhythm, okay?
Okay.
Are you holding right click or?
No, I'm clicking a few seconds per second, times per second.
Okay, maybe follow the rhythm of the music.
Okay.
And we fine? I don't know.
That's a good idea.
Or a little bit faster. So we can go together at the same time. Okay. We're good. Vale, gente, se viene, la segunda primera, Okay. Alright. Let's go back. Or what do you have to do? Okay, back. Now let's just spam. Spam.
I am.
Spam right click. Yeah, just hold it.
I'm holding.
Okay. Vámonos, mi gente. Okay, sorry.
Sorry, I'm trying. We have to go faster the second time.
Yes. It's okay. Okay, just hold it.
Are you clicking the bucket or the udders?
The udders.
Okay.
Yes. Just hold it, and it just goes.
I am. We have to. I'll make sure to click faster this time on the way there.
Okay, we can try it. Not too fast though, because not many people went back. You know?
Yeah, no one's thing fell.
Do you think so?
I don't think so.
Try just full
Oh, it's shaking?
Maybe not. Yeah, it's shaking.
Or stop?
We're shaking a lot. Okay. Wow. Ooh, careful. Let's just hope that someone drops it because we can't really go too fast.
One. Here, let's see what happens if I just do it. Oh, it's not working. Never mind.
No, we have to go together. Yeah.
It's so slow. Why is it so slow?
Okay. We just have to like try and follow its rhythm.
It's so slow, man. Guys.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, I heard. Sorry, I heard it.
Yeah. Sometimes. Yeah. Yeah, I hear it too. So when we hear it, we just stop. Okay.
Okay.
One sec.
Guys. I'm nervous. Oh, stop.
Don't worry. I think some people dropped it, so let's just hope. Okay.
Okay.
Let's just continue the rhythm. I think we can.
Wait. Okay.
Okay. Slowly. Okay. Ah, it turns around so slowly. Okay. What if we just run and without jumping? Look.
Yeah.
Like this. And just holding right click. Let's just not jump.
Okay.
Yeah, it's better.
Yep. You're right. It is better.
Okay. Okay. We did it 3 times, okay? So
Yeah,
we have
yeah.
just 2 more. Do you hear the sound? Are you clicking?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, let's go. Oh, we changed sides.
Yeah, sorry. It's actually annoying how they're like never ever nice, but GG. GG. I'm not mad. Me and Susie we did our absolute best. We did our absolute best. GG.
Yeah, they won, guys. They won.
That game sucks.
I'm so sorry, Hannah.
No, you're okay.
Did you guys spell a bucket?
No.
No, we didn't. No, hemos pasado.
Oh shit.
I was clicking so fast. I was clicking like 12 CPS.
Hannah, next time. We will play next time. Next Spanish event.
Okay.
Well played, Hannah.
Adiós.
No.
Adiós, Hannah.
Susi, lo siento.
No.
Mucha suerte, chicos. Mucha suerte en la siguiente, ¿vale?
The cows are gonna eat
Susi, enorme.
Maybe they will. That'll be awesome. Go get Rare and Eldo. Go get them. Hello?
No, ninguna.
No. Wait, sing me a song. Sing me a song before I die. No. A song you sing at a funeral. Okay.
I'm so sorry.
You like it?
We will miss you very much.
I love it. It's beautiful.
Hannah,
Which
hasta la
song do you
próxima.
want? We have a repertoire of songs. Which one you
Hasta la
want?
próxima, Hannah.
Sí.
Adiós.
Hannah, you fought well, Hannah.
Sí.
Where there comes a time.
Hannah, don't look back. Look at me.
we're
Look at me,
here.
Hannah. Don't look back. Don't look back. Don't look back, Hannah. Don't look back. Look at me. Look at us. Look at us. Look at your friends, Hannah. Look at your friends. Look at your friends, Hannah. Hannah, look at your friends. Look at your friends, Hannah. Don't look back. Look at your friends. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay, Hannah. Hannah, it's gonna be okay. Look at your friends. Look at your friends, Hannah. Look at your friends. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Hannah, we'll win for you, Hannah. We'll win for you, Hannah. We'll win.
GG. Oh my god, I'm so... GG. Guys, listen, it's a miracle that we survived to the last day. I am so happy. Oh, oh my god, I'm dead right next to the... Okay, let's not talk about that. Let's talk about how we survived until the 5th day on our very first Squid Game event. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you for the follows. Drop a follow if you're new. What else was I gonna say? Thank you so much for inviting me to this event and being so welcoming and being so sweet. Every single person. Oh my god, I'm gonna start crying because you guys have been so nice to me. Thank you so much to this Spanish-speaking community for inviting me to this event and for being so kind and sweet. I've made so many friends, and if you ever want to, oh my god, I'm gonna start. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. I love you so much. I love you so much. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Hold on. Oh my god, it's a cutscene. I can see the cutscene. Oh my god. Wait, do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? Is this my cutscene because I died? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm in a present. I'm in a little present. It's me. Yay!
We love you, Hannah.
Guys. Guys? Is that me? Oh my god, they're burning me. Oh my god. That's so bad. No! No! That's so bad! That's so bad! No! I died. GG. I'm so happy though. I'm still really happy. I'm not even upset. I'm not even mad. I kind of raged a little bit, but it's okay. Oh, we could read the credits. Look at this. I'm gonna go full face cam. Guys.
From the Hannah Rose community, we love you, Spanish friends. Hannah's love.
Okay, guys, it sucks that we died, but it's okay. We made it to the 5th day, and that's all that we can ask for. That's all that we can ask for, and I'm really, really happy about it. I'm really happy. And I'm so sweaty right now because I was really nervous during the event, so I apologize for that. But thank you for the gifted subs, and Bad Boy Halo, Ripperoni, Hannah Tony. It would have been better with Hanny Tony. Yeah, and what I was going to say was, if anyone from the event that I met ever wants to play Bed Wars or Minecraft or any other Spanish speaking events, let me know. I will always be available to play. This was the best experience of my life. Like, one of the best tournament experience, by far the best Twitch Rivals experience of my life. Like, waking up every day this has given me something to be excited for. So thank you so much, guys. Hold on, Sylvie's messaging me. Sylvie said, you did so good. The game was frustrating. Yeah, but it's okay. It's all right. Thank you for the gifted subs. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. But I might send off the stream now. I might send it off. Raid someone. Oh, look, guys, it says game over.
You did great, Hannah.
GG. 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 This was the best. This was the best ever. I hope that I can play the next one. That would be like... I look so sweaty. I'm sorry. That's just what happens when I play Minecraft. I hope that I can be in the next one. That would be great. Wait, let's play a really sad song. What's a really sad song? Adele? We can listen to Adele. Adele. Someone Like You. Set fire to the rain. Guys, don't cry, guys. Don't cry, guys. Don't cry. Don't cry. The song is really sad, but don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you for all the gifted subs. Guys, drop a follow on the stream if you love Minecraft, if you love Bed Wars.
All of the Spanish speakers love you, and I hope you can be in another
Don't cry, guys. Don't cry. Don't cry. Royer and Aldo are having a song montage moment right now. It breaks my heart to see this down. No. I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm actually really happy. Not that I died, of course, but that I was even in this event. To the rain. It's okay, guys. It's all right. We did our best. Thank you for the subs. Thank you for the subs.
Did a tier 1 sub to Paco Sao.
And the follows. Follow me on Twitter. After the song ends, I'm ending the stream. After the song ends, I'm absolutely ending the stream. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. Join my Discord. Sorry to self-promo, but I love you guys, and I want to see you again. I want to see you again. All right. After the song ends, we're leaving.
Gifted a tier 1 sub to I1_RH.
Did you win? No, I died.
Xanthings gifted a tier 1 sub to Dykes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tier 1 sub to Kaidoy_1.
Guys,
gifted a tier 1
thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody. Maybe we can hit 1.3 million today if every single person in the stream followed. We'll hit 1.3 mil.
Tier 1 sub to Danny Fernandez. Xanthings gifted a tier 1 sub to Charlie_.
It says we hit 1.3 mil, but it's actually not. I'll show you. I'll show you guys. It just rounded up. Fire. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, we need 9,000 more followers for it. That we won't. It's okay. We won't get that. We won't get that. We need 9,000 more followers for 1.3 mil. That's too many. That's too many. Never mind. Another day. I'm gonna miss you guys. All right, who should we raid? The last time we can raid Tubbo. All right. Did the raid message work? / raid Tubbo. Is it working? Thank you guys. Thank you for the bits. Thank you for the bits. Can we get rid of all the other notifications that aren't the raid? I don't know how. Oh, I'm in anonymous mode. I'm an idiot. Un idiota. Oh, this no. That's a bad song. That's a bad song. All right, what's another sad song we can listen to, guys?
Ha ha ha! Congratulations for making it far.
Thank you. / raid Tubbo. Okay. All right, there we go. What's another sad song? Payphone? Okay, fine.
Te amamos, Hannah, you're the best.
Trying to call home. GG. I have to fill out a form, I think.
Roya and Aldo are having a song montage moment right now.
Thank you, everybody.
To see me this down frown.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm gonna get emotional with all these sad songs because I've made so many friends and it's been such a great experience. It's been so great, guys. It's been such a great experience. Shout out to all my friends.
Hey Hannah, you did great and made some.
And I better see one of those edits tonight. I better see one of those edits where it was the one that I said. I better see it on TikTok or else I'm quitting streaming forever.
You did great and made some new friends on the way.
Thank you guys. Thank you. All right, we're going to raid my friend Tubbo because he's doing a subathon. He's doing a subathon. But before we leave, guys, drop a follow on the stream. I would really appreciate it.
I love
click the heart button. Click the heart button. Follow me on Twitter. I'd appreciate that too. Thank you. All right. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. I died. Bye.
Hannah LSM, we share a